Using Webflow CMS allows you to create dynamic, content-driven websites with ease. Here's a concise guide on how to use Webflow CMS. Create a new project. Log into Webflow and start a new project or open an existing one. Access CMS collections. Click on the CMS tab in the left sidebar to start creating a new collection. Collections are used to store and manage your dynamic content. Create a collection. Click New Collection and give it a name, such as blog posts or products. Define fields like text, images, dates, and links that you want to include. Add collection items. Once your collection is created, click on it to add new items. Fill in the fields with your content, such as blog titles, descriptions, and images. Design with collections. Go to the designer and use the collection list element to display your content on the page. Bind the elements to your collection fields, enabling dynamic content display. Customize templates. Create a collection template page for each item type. Design this page to display individual items' details using the CMS fields you've defined. Preview and test. Use the preview mode to see how your CMS content looks. Make adjustments as needed to ensure it displays correctly on all devices. Publish your site. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your site live, showcasing your dynamic content seamlessly.